Welcome back to the channel. This week's video is going to be a little bit different. As you can see, we still have our Cusco parts over there. Instead of working on our WRX this week, we're actually going to be picking up a new car for the wife. I'm going to bring you guys along for the journey. We're going to be flying out to Atlanta and then driving it back. So enough talking, let's pick this car up. Let's go. Morning of picking up your car. How do you feel?
I'm so excited. I woke up way before my alarm this morning, which does not happen often. So for 3:55, I'm ready.
Our ride's just about to be here. We're about to head to the airport. We'll catch up with you guys there. All right, we made it to the dealership. He just pulled it up, so let's check it out. Here she is. Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk. What do you think? First impressions? Is nice?
That's nice.
All right, let me get on the other side. Dang, look at this thing. It's got all the features. It got night vision right there, got the tow hooks, 360 camera. Dang. So a few things about this car. It is the Trailhawk version. It's a 2022, fully loaded, night vision, air ride suspension. It's got everything fully loaded. She's really gonna love this car. Definitely a major upgrade from the Compass that we had. We did have to lift the Compass so we could get onto the beach, but this one has air ride. It can lift up for 11 inches of ground clearance. So that's plenty for what we're trying to do on the beach. All right, let's check the inside out a bit. Dang. Got some nice seats. I'll let them do their thing in there, but I'll catch up with you guys in just a minute once we're done with some paperwork. All right, we're in the car. What do you think?
I love it.
Thing is super nice. It's got all the features. We got the air ride button here, sway bar detach right here. Oh yeah, check this out. Oh, digital reverse mirror. Look at that.
So cool.
Flip it down. Oh, now it's regular. Dang, that's cool. So we got a long drive ahead of us, about 6.5 hours. We have a couple pit stops that we're gonna do. We're really trying to get some Korean barbecue on the way home. We don't have any in Wilmington, so we'll catch up with you guys down the road. And we made it back home. The drive took about 6.5 hours. The drive was super smooth. Not gonna lie, I was knocked out for about half of it. The suspension is very comfortable, and I mean, it just shows. I fell asleep like most of the ride. She's a trooper, she drove the whole time. But let's go check out, see what she likes about the car, because she's had 6.5 hours of driving it. All right. So new owner, what are your top things after about 6.5 hours of driving this thing? What are your top 3 things? Let's start with the top 3.
Okay, top 3. Okay, so I don't know what my third is. I'm trying to think.
Ready, set, go.
All right, top 3. So definitely the air ride suspension, which I'll show you.
Ready, set, go.
All right, top 3. My number 1, I think, is the air ride suspension, which I will show you in a minute. Number 2 is all of the cameras. I think Joey already showed you, but this is kind of hard to see because you're looking at the garage. But having this like camera aside from just like a regular mirror is like pretty cool when you're driving. Also, the 360 camera is like sick. for parking and like looking at different views of the car. And then the night vision, which we haven't got to try yet. So I guess you could turn this on at night and see animals when you're driving on a highway before you physically see them. So I don't know, that's kind of cool. I've tried that. Then also the third would be the seats. So the suede seats with the leather is so nice, so comfy. My other Compass had the leather seats and I felt like you kind of like slid off of them a little bit. And this is just like, I don't know, it's kind of like a couch. I like it.
All right, well, those are really cool features. The camera system's really cool. The air ride, I told everyone it's very comfy. I slept half the car ride.
Yeah.
And of course the seats are comfy because that's what I slept in. Let me see this air ride. Let's see how high this thing goes.
All right, go to the front, I'm coming. Just to give you some perspective of how high it is compared to me, it's still going. Still going. There we go. Look at that, 11 inches. I'm not gonna get stuck on the beach. 11 inches.
Dang, look at that. That is great.
And can I just say, everyone driving by, all the neighbors are like double taking at my car.
Like, oh, who's the new car?
They're like, whose is this? It's mine. It's
Who's
not
got the new
leaving.
car? Dang, and one cool thing about Jeeps, they have these little Easter eggs on them. All the wheels have these little Jeeps. Where's some other ones?
There's one in the back.
We got a little Jeep climbing there. Family of Jeeps right there. Jeep in the gas cap. Well, that's all we got for you guys this week. We picked up our new Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk. Stay tuned until next week. We'll go back to our normal videos with our 22XX, but stay on the lookout. We're gonna make some videos on this. We're gonna go on the beach. We're gonna explore and see what it can do. Until next time, see ya.